Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn must-know MacBook keyboard shortcuts that help you work faster and save time. Command plus C is used to copy. Command plus V is used to paste. Command plus X is used to cut. Command plus Z is used to undo. Command plus A is used to select all. Option plus arrow keys move the cursor word by word. Command plus arrow keys jump to the beginning or end of a line. Option plus delete removes an entire word. Command plus tab switches between applications. Command plus Q quits the current app. Command plus W closes the window. Command plus H hides the current app. Command plus space opens Spotlight search. Command plus N opens a new Finder window. Command plus Shift plus N creates a new folder. Command plus Delete moves files to trash. Control plus Command plus Q locks the screen. Command plus Option plus Escape opens Force Quit. Command plus Shift plus 3 captures the full screen. Command plus Shift plus 4 captures a selected area. Command plus Shift plus 5 opens Screenshot tool. Control plus arrow keys switch between desktops. Command plus backtick switches between windows of the same app. Using MacBook shortcuts regularly can save hours every week. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.